Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. We finally got a little bit of snow here in Pittsburgh, only around 2 or 3 inches, but I wanted to make a follow-up video to the tire video I made this summer regarding the Cooper AT3 4S tires. Now, I promised in the summer review I'd make a new video in the winter showing the snow performance. So here we go today. Not too much snow, but at least want to give you a feel for it. This road we have here is lightly snow covered, and it is quite a large hill though. It's on a large incline. But what I have the Jeep in is snow mode. And what we're gonna do is just see if we can climb this hill. And this is just a park road. It is paved, this part is paved up until you get to the top. So here we go. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Okay, now this lot is gravel, but it is a little bit deeper snow. So let's see how we do here. A little bit of spinning and no problem. Little slide. Now these tires perform well in these conditions off-road and in the deeper stuff, and that's due to the all-terrain nature of the tires. But it does produce, as I said in my summer review, a little bit of more tire noise than the stock tires produce. So you do have to contend with that, but I think it's worth it for this performance. Now let's go see how they perform on the street in the snow. Alright guys, here we are on some pretty snow-covered roads, and so far it's handling this kind of wet, heavy snow pretty well. So I am pretty happy with these Coopers so far. We didn't get a ton of snow again this year, but I did happen to catch it on a day where we got it's probably 3 inches or so of heavy wet snow. So gonna take you along for the ride, show you how they perform. All right, we have a nice big hill of slush, and it's spinning a little bit, but I'm gonna put it in snow mode here. And we got buses in front that are having problems. All right, I'm stopped on a pretty steep hill here, spinning a little bit, and grips, so not too bad. Yeah, it's handling this pretty well. No problems. So one thing about these Cooper tires, when the temperatures got super cold in January, it was about 0 degrees, you know, definitely below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. I noticed that the compound did get pretty hard, and I did lose some dry grip with these tires. So when it was just cold and dry pavement, I lost some cornering grip and traction. I did notice did notice even a little bit of spinning if it was only front wheel drive, which this Jeep happens to do sometimes. All right, here we're stopped on this hill again. Let's see how we do. Yeah, no problem if you're light on the throttle. And the snow mode does help on this Jeep. It keeps it into 4-wheel drive, and it lessens the throttle response and keeps it in a higher gear, so you don't have as much power to spin. Of course, I'm behind a bus, but in a way, it's good to show you stop and go here. Give it a little more gas this time, and it does spin a little bit. Now coming down this hill, he's going very slow, but just tapping the brakes, it stops very well. Fully stopped pretty quick. So tell me what you guys think of these tires. Did you install them yet? And or give me other suggestions of what you use in the winter. These are not dedicated snow tires, I should say that. These are all season tires, but they have been designed to do very well in the snow. There's a lot of sipes in the treads, and they are meant for 4 seasons. And they have the snow symbol on the tire, so they are definitely all-terrain, all-season tires, and they're doing well. And again, I don't get snow, tons of snow here in Pittsburgh. If you live in a place that got a lot of snow, then yeah, you're probably better off with some dedicated snow tires. But for as much as we get here, and the occasional snow day, they're doing very well. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.